I am dishing up so much love over here. First of all, how lovable is this heart-shaped Le Creuset dish? Well, Tomato Wellness is giving one away, so you are going to want to head over to their Instagram at Tomato Wellness and learn how to enter. You definitely want to check this out, and I hope you win because it's a great dish. And I'm going to make my easy, cheesy pizza dip in it. It's a great recipe. It's perfect for Valentine's Day or really any day for one, two, a group of people. And it starts off with some marinara sauce, and I've just warmed it up. And the thing about marinara, I mean, you can make it yourself with canned tomatoes. You can buy a jar of it. It's all good. And keep in mind that the people, the producers of canned and jarred tomato products are putting the love in every day to what they're making. And tomato products are not only incredibly rich in lycopene, but of course, they also just taste fabulous and they're really convenient. So I'm putting in a couple of cups of warmed marinara in here. I just love the smell of marinara sauce. And into that goes a couple of dollops of ricotta cheese. Just kind of spread that out around the dip. Well, it's gonna be a dip. Spread it out around the sauce. There we go. A sprinkle of shredded mozzarella and some grated Parmesan cheese. Then you just put this in the oven at 450 for about 10 minutes till it's all melty. And this is how it comes out, all melty and hot and cheesy. And I like to serve it with a few basil leaves on top with some warmed focaccia or pizza dough. And it's just amazing for dipping. Look at that, nice cheese. Don't forget to head over to Tomato Wellness for your chance to win one of these amazing pots. Cheers.